We have designed two roads axes, Road 1 and Road 2, with their intersection point. We have designed also Road 1 grade, that means Route 1 profile elevation. To design now the profile elevation for Road 2, we need to represent the elevation of Road 1 at the intersection point, in the profile view of Road 2. I select the Road 2 profile viewer, then in the ribbon, click on Launchpad and select Add Crossings to Profile View. Now select the profile of Road 1 and in the opened window choose Basic X as the crossing marker style and crossing elevation and source station as the crossing label source name. We can now click OK in this window, thus obtaining the exact representation the elevation and distance of the grade of Road 1 into profile view of Road 2. Now we are able to design Road 2 elevation using the reference Road 1 elevation at the intersection point.